Jenkins file. Okay, here we should declare uh, stages, different stages. We have to so what is this stage and what are the steps in the stages. So we can able to declare. So it depends upon what kind of project, which platform you are doing. So we can use that one. So Ruby or Python. So if you are using a Python, then we have to tell what Python you are using and stages and Python versions like that. So okay. So stage is a build or a test or a run or like that. We have to declare it. Okay. So here also given what is source code management also. So different pages are there. So you don't need to go to any place. So something links are available throughout your things. Okay. Okay. Also, we can explanation about different pipelines. See, if you see this picture, so different stages. These are all different stages only. I showed only two stages in my PC because I declare only two. But here it is build integrated quality test function. Okay, like this. So you can see different columns and on which area you got a problem, then you have to find out and start working on it. So then you can able to finish up it. Each stage we can able to understand what it is. Okay. So actually the meaning of pipeline means flow. So maintaining a flow. So you can see check out, build, test or a thing, staging and production. So like this is the Jenkins pipeline is like this. Okay. So otherwise you can build multiple things in a single every stage also, or every stage you can declare one by one, or you can create each stage having a multiple stages also. You can see here it is testing phase and JUnit phase and testing phase B. Okay, and standby server like this. This is a pipeline, but it is this one having two, this one having two stages, two things in a single stage. This one stage, this is another stage. Here it is a very big picture. Okay, so medium.com. Okay. So this is completely Jenkins deployment kind of stuff. This is a pipeline flow. This is, yeah, these cookies are always giving headache. So he declared in a Groovy platform. Okay, pipeline agent, Docker, environment variables, and everything, every aspect like initialization, build, publish report, like this. Okay, so it make more easy in a to do it, but we need to write everything in a Jenkins file. Okay, so we don't do this. Is I will keep it. Okay. How to set up which one it is showing here. So I will show you one Jenkins project. First of all, we need a pipeline project. Okay. Of course, I have one. Okay, this is one is there. First of all, I'm going to put this in versioning. So this is already I showed how to put our thing into GitHub. Okay, so same thing I'm doing here. So from NetBeans, this is NetBeans install. I install. Okay, and NetBeans is quite better, easy compared to that one. Okay, so initialize Git repository or Mercurial or a subversioning. So here I'm going to initialize that one. So same place. So just I initialize the Git. Okay, Marvin project 2, right? So then I'm going to my GitHub. Here it is. It's already login. Now I'm going to create a new repository. Okay, so Maven project 2. Okay, so project 2. Okay, so this is in a public. Okay, so I'm creating a repository. Then I'm taking this line, Control C. So I done initialization finished. Initialization is finished. And now you can see like this. Okay, right click. Now you can see Git option. Instead of versioning, it is showing Git option. Then I'm adding files. Okay, that is adding. Now after adding, what to do? We have to commit, right? So then we should go to the commit. So what you want to commit? I have 2 files here, so I'm going to commit. Okay, so this is commit message. I'm giving type commit message. Okay, so anything, just comment name first commit. Okay, and then I'm going to do commitment. So it is still our local repository only. Now I want to push the configuration. Commit is completed. Then I have to go to remote. So git remote push configuration, right? So I'm going to push. So here I have to give this one. Then give. I'm giving directly. If you want to do anonymous, then you can give leave it that one. So anyway, it will ask for the password and all. Okay, Vedic Soft CTS and @gmail.com and password capital Z AQ MLP @7. If you want to save the password, you can save it also. Next, no selected branches. Select the branch and then go to next and finish it. Now, yeah, it is branch created locally. You want to branch master to remote branch. Yes. I want to refresh this one. Now it is created here. Okay, so then again I'm going to take the code. Okay. So here this is our Java file, right? This is start page. Start page is not required. So I'll go to Java page. So this is my Java thing, right? So I'm going to run the project once. This is current IDE, select main class. Now it is a Maven project. It usually it shows in a different way, like scanning a project complete. If you want to build this project, also you can do it from here. So like right click, build or clean build. Can you see? Build, clean build, build with dependencies. Only clean, like that you can able to do it. Of course, it contains a POM file. Okay, this is the pom.exe file. So if you see pom.exe file, so it is a declare what is the model version .com Maven, my Maven project 2. So what is the version name and jar, like that. And here we can able to declare other things, properties, dependencies, artifacts, or anything you want to declare it. Okay. What is it is here? It is showing it is a garbage collection. Okay, garbage collection. Okay, so whether it is we finish this one or not? Yeah, mine is completed, and also it is executed things. See, you can see This is my output, build success. So my project is okay, but and after that one already I published it into here. This is the code, copy the code. Now I'm going here. So I'm going to create a new project. Here you can use a pipeline, or you can use multi-branch pipeline also. Okay. So first of all, I use a pipeline with a simple one. So in here, project 2. So here I am going to put a I will build a different way. So I will use extra one for a 1 and 2 3 like this, 2 1 2 2 2 3 like this. Okay, so I select a pipeline, I given a name. So here very less options, so I'm giving Marvin project. So 2, okay, anything you want to give, any GitHub connections and all, you can give also. The build options, other options, you can read it once, go through it, you can read it. Build when change in push to GitLab like this one. So if you, in this project anything change, okay, so like this full SCM source code management thing. Here it is pipeline script is there. So in a pipeline script, you have to declare the pipeline script where you can see this is, where is this? Why I'm smelling some burning thing? Something like burning smell. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so we can declare like these steps here. Okay, or to make it is more easy. Okay, you can use like a pipeline script from SCM. So source code management, like you can use SCM means source code management from Git, and you can add Jenkins files. Okay, so take the path from the Jenkins file. So you can put a Jenkins files here, where here we have to upload the Jenkins files. Okay, you have to declare in Jenkins files, you have to upload Jenkins files here. So it will take it from here and it will execute. Okay, but I didn't add Jenkins file into my source code. Okay, so I'm going to back to my pipeline script only. But here I use GitHub plus Marvin thing. So understand? So I use, instead of try sample pipeline, or I can use hello world or scripted pipeline or GitHub plus Marvin. Here automatically the script is generated, a sample script is generated. Okay, so here you can use any means. We didn't declare any Docker images or Python or anything. We didn't declare anything. So right, so I use any like that. I leave it. Tools or Marvin, I'm using it. It is showing M3 Marvin in quotations M3. Okay, but here actually we should open. Okay. Yeah, here it is. I will open again. Okay, so this is, I don't want to disturb, that's why I open in another window, Jenkins. Change, manage Jenkins, global tool configuration. Here you can go to and Marvin, install Marvin thing. Okay. Yeah, here already I declare. See, can you see M3 Apache Marvin, like see M3, and where is Marvin? So you can see from here, C drive. This is the folder where Marvin is there. in a bin folder, actually Maven executable files are there, right? So this is location. So here I in a name is M3. I said M3 and Maven home is here. Okay, so like that. Where in a global configuration, so I declare where is Maven. Okay, here in I didn't declare correctly about Git, but if you want to declare git.exe, so find out where is your git.exe. Okay, so where is git.exe? This is git bash git cmd.exe, right? So you have to give this location, or you can go to bin git.exe is here. So I'm going directly bin folder, control V. Now slash. So I'm declaring where is git also. So by default from system it will take it. Otherwise you can tell where is your executable thing. So its name is showing default. I use git git only. That's it. Okay. So I declare git. For example, if you have a Gradle, then you can add a Gradle here. Okay. If you have an Ant, you downloaded Ant, and then you want to declare Ant thing also, like Ant Apache, right? So Ant is belongs to Apache. Maven is also Apache only. Okay, so this is also same thing like build tool only. You can download the Git Ant thing. Okay, source distribution or you can download it and extract it and put it in your system. Then you can give that link here. Okay, so I didn't download. I can give Ant also here. And this is if you are doing Node.js projects, then you can declare a Node.js is also there. So I think so you're understanding. In a manage settings, go to global configuration and your source code related things. So where are there? So there are applications. Okay, where which application and where it is located, you can declare it. So I declare as M3. Save it and go to here. Where is pipeline? So it use M3. M3 means this one. Okay. So where that is. So here it is stages. You can create a multiple stages also, not only one stages, multiple stages also we can create it. Okay. This is stage one. Stage one build name is build. So you can use anything. And here it is git link is given because I'm using Git. Okay, so git link is given. So I'm going to git link, copy the git link, go here. So I'm removing this default git and then I put my git. Can you see this sh? Sh is like if you are using a Unix, if you are using Unix or Linux, sh is will work. Okay, then I'm removing sh and then I will change sh to bat. Means we are using Windows. The execution thing in here it is a batch file type only, cmd batch file type only, and it is declared something here. You can see we declared something here. So I'm using comment is instead of Unix Windows agent. Okay, it automatically is giving a clean package, so I'm removing this package thing. Just I want only clean. If you want this one, and you can keep it, otherwise you can leave it. So it's like ignore true kind of stuff. Okay, and you want to build more things like okay, stage clean and these steps, and you can declare if you want more things, then I will copy this one and then so second stage. So it's stages. In the first is stage clean stage, and second one is compile stage, compile stage. So you can put any stage name, compile stage. Git is same thing, or you can internally you can put it. So once Git is there, then you can internally you can put it. So here's a clean, right? So instead of clean, and I will put a clean and compile. Okay, so I am declaring one more here, like you can use test stage. We'll see. TEST test. So I put a test. Okay, so test is completed. Then what to do? So here it is giving by so I got something, some exception gone. Everything declare correct only, right? So stage, this is clean stage, started, ended, close it. Here started, open. This is open and this is open. So it is open, open, close. This is open and close. And it is here, it is open. It is open here. Again open, open. So this is close and this is not closed. So then I use some other close for this. So otherwise one we can use one more close. Okay, so if post means after this one. Okay, so post means if it is successful, then it is in a post. If it is successful, do the JUnit thing. So I don't have any JUnit things here, so I'm going to remove this one. So I'm using a bat in quotations MVN clean package. I'm declaring both the things. So bat in quotations MVN clean install. So we'll see. So any errors are there? So it is showing an error. Expecting this on our found something. So then we have to calculate completely. So where we done a mistake also. Very good. Don't change. Use right. Now it is correct. Okay, so pipeline agent any. Okay, so I want to remove the comments, so then it is quite better, shorter. Okay, it is open, close. This is still open. Okay, and stage. Yeah, my PC stage and get some from Git repository. Okay, then so bad. Okay, so this is also comment. I know 10 minutes. So this one declare and close, right? Compile, declare. So we need this closure, but this is a final closure stages. Compile stage. Then stages. Okay. Stage. Yeah, I think so. I got it. Still showing. You can just keep it like this. We'll try. If you got a problem, then we'll see. Okay. We are not at run, so then no stage view. But once you build now, then stage view will start. Okay. We got a starting only console output error, but it's rotating. Last, I should use by default only small one. I use more. Otherwise, we'll cut so many things and we'll use simple. If it is not successful, we'll go to simple way, means only one statement only. What happened to this thing? Now it is running. So first only error. So the code error. Yeah, I know that code error. Okay, now we'll back to the project and go to configure. Go to pipeline. So what I'm going to do is stages, steps. So I added few stages, right? So I will remove all these extra stages to get output. Okay. Okay. Now just to clean. Okay. And this is also I put it in a comment. Clean. I use compile only. Okay, that's it. Now we didn't get any errors, right? So we'll see. Now build now. Okay, and now it is going on. So this is first git. So after git only, so it is going build successful first part. Okay, so we'll go to stage view. See, first one is not at all run, but here it is running, right? So both the things. First of all, to get the information. Okay, so this is for getting information and thing. Now this is the clean statement. This is for a clean statement and compile statement. So both are successful. You can see individually what is your statement you are given. Okay, this is a stage view. Okay, completely it is successful. This is second one. So we have to see the stages in a pipeline project. Once it is done, then you can start adding one by one. Into go to configurations, again pipeline. Then you want to declare more things here, like we declare clean package kind of stuff. You can declare here also, like you can use this one, compile here, you can use it, or you can use multiple stages also. It is showing a single stages only, but I want more multiple stages. Jenkins pipeline, multiple agents or multiple stages. We required stages. How to declare this one is important. Why it is open same thing? deploy, retry, stage, new stages, stage sequential, like these are multiple stages. Post when agent, like agent none, parallel, agent windows. So agents will steps. So there are using this thing, agent, environment, and when in here. So already I told us, so stages, stage we have to declare, and then inside you have to declare parallel stages. This is parallel stages, and first is windows. Then you have to do like this. So when you declare parallel, under that one you can declare your stage. This is stage again. If you want to try, we are about to disconnect, guys. In a 2 minutes. Once it is disconnected, take a 10-15 minutes break and then come back. Okay. So I think so you understand simple thing, but we can put more here. No, not here. Otherwise, we'll copy these steps. Control C. No. Steps are steps only. Stages are stages, right? So I'm going to declare parallel. It's open. It means you have to add one more closure. Let's see, parallel. This is first stage steps. Now, okay, this one, copy. This is for clean, right? So this is for compile. Any error? No error. So I paste parallel. This is clean and compile, and clean and test. So what will happen? We'll see. We got error. It shows error. It's showing error. Where is that error? Yeah, that it is showing.